Celebrities feuding in public is nothing new, but when their disputes escalate to the courtroom, it's a whole new level of drama. From social media spats to full-blown legal battles, these A-listers prove that sometimes the show must go on, even in court. But here's where it gets controversial. When does a personal dispute become a matter for the public and the legal system to judge? Let's dive into some of the most notorious celebrity court cases that have captivated the world and explore the messy intersection of fame, ego, and the law. Blac Chyna versus the Kardashians, a family feud turned legal battle. The Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to drama, but their dispute with Blac Chyna took things to a whole new level. Blac Chyna, a model and influencer, accused Kim Kardashian, Kris Jenner, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner of defaming her and sabotaging her reality TV show, Rob Chyna. The show, which chronicled her relationship with Rob Kardashian, was canceled after just one season. Chyna claimed the Kardashians convinced TV executives to pull the plug, suing them for a staggering $100 million. The trial lasted 9 days in 2022, with all four Kardashians taking the stand. While jurors found the family acted in bad faith, no damages were awarded since the network testified the show ended due to the couple's breakup, not the family's interference. But here's the twist. Despite the legal battle, Chyna now claims she's on speaking terms with the family. So, was it all just a misunderstanding or a calculated move to protect their brand? You decide. Angelina Jolie versus Brad Pitt, the war of the rosé. Divorces are rarely pretty, but Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's split has been a decade-long saga. While their marriage was dissolved in 2024, the battle over Chateau Miraval, their French vineyard, rages on. Angelina sold her 50% stake to a luxury wine company, prompting Brad to sue her for breach of contract. She countersued, claiming she was shut out of the business and alleging Brad's abusive behavior. And this is the part most people miss. In the world of high-stakes divorces, business partnerships often become collateral damage. As family law expert Rachel Spencer-Robb notes, mixing marriage and business can be a recipe for disaster. But does Angelina's sale violate their agreement, or is Brad overstepping? The courts will decide, but the drama is far from over. Amber Heard versus Johnny Depp, the trial by TikTok. If there's one celebrity court case that broke the internet, it's Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. After their 2016 split, Amber wrote an op-ed about surviving domestic abuse, though she didn't name Johnny. He sued her for defamation, claiming she was the abuser and seeking $50 million. Amber countersued for $100 million. The trial, dubbed the trial by TikTok, went viral with dramatic courtroom moments. Johnny won, securing $15 million in damages, but Amber was awarded $2 million in her counterclaim. But here's the controversial question. Did the trial truly reveal the truth, or did public opinion sway the outcome? The case sparked debates about domestic violence, celebrity influence, and the power of social media. What's your take? Nicki Minaj versus Tracy Chapman, a costly musical mistake. In 2018, Nicki Minaj found herself in hot water after her song Sorry allegedly sampled Tracy Chapman's Baby Can I Hold You without permission. Tracy sued, and Nicki settled for $450,000. But here's the kicker. Nicki claimed she had no idea about the sampling, yet the song leaked online. Was it an honest mistake or a risky move gone wrong? As legal expert Ben Atkin notes, these errors can be expensive. But does this case highlight the blurred lines in music creation or the need for stricter copyright enforcement? Nicolas Cage versus Kathleen Turner. When words turn costly. Nicolas Cage and Kathleen Turner's on-screen chemistry in Peggy Sue Got Married didn't translate off-screen. In her memoir, Kathleen made false claims about Nicolas, including allegations of drunk driving and dog theft. Nicolas sued for defamation and won, receiving an apology and damages. But here's the lesson. In the age of tell-all memoirs, where do we draw the line between free speech and harmful falsehoods? Should celebrities be held to a higher standard when making public accusations? Radiohead versus Lana Del Rey. The creep controversy, when Lana Del Rey's Get Free was accused of copying Radiohead's Creep. It sparked a debate about originality in music. Radiohead sued for 100% of the song's royalties, but the case was eventually settled. And this is the part most people miss. Radiohead themselves faced similar accusations over Creep, which allegedly borrowed from the Hollies' The Air That I Breathe. So is creativity truly original, or are we all borrowing from each other? And at what point does inspiration become theft? Rebecca Vardy versus Colleen Rooney, the Wagatha Christie saga. Perhaps the most infamous celebrity feud, Rebecca Vardy sued Colleen Rooney for libel after Colleen accused her of leaking private stories to the press. Colleen's detective-style Twitter exposé went viral, but the trial revealed inconsistencies in Rebecca's evidence, including a conveniently crashed laptop and a phone lost at sea. Colleen won, leaving Rebecca to foot the bill. But here's the question. Did Colleen's public shaming go too far, or was it a justified move to protect her privacy? And what does this case say about trust, or lack thereof, in the world of celebrity friendships? These cases prove that when celebrities clash, the fallout is anything but private. But as we watch the drama unfold, it's worth asking, are we just spectators, or are we complicit in turning their pain into entertainment? Let the debate begin.